In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an editable and fillable PDF form from an Excel spreadsheet using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're managing data or just want to quickly turn a table into a form, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. We're starting with your Excel file. First, ensure that your spreadsheet is neatly organized. Each field that you plan to have in your PDF form should correspond to a column or row in your Excel file. Take a moment to double-check everything is labeled clearly, as this will help when setting up your form fields later on. Next, let's convert your well-prepared Excel file into a PDF. You can do this by simply opening your Excel file and selecting Save As or Export, then choosing PDF from the available format options. Make sure to save it to a location that's easy to find, because this PDF will be the backbone of your fillable form. Now that you've got your PDF, it's time to launch Adobe Acrobat Pro. This software offers a variety of tools specifically designed for working with PDFs, including the ability to create fillable forms, which is exactly what we're going to do next. With Acrobat Pro open, you'll want to bring in your newly created PDF file. Simply go to File and click Open to locate and open that PDF. Once your document is open in Acrobat, you're ready to begin the transformation from a simple PDF into a functional form. Navigate to the Tools section at the top of the Acrobat window and find the Prepare Form option. This is crucial because clicking Prepare Form will essentially activate form editing mode, allowing us to define areas in the document that users can fill in. In the new window, click the Start button. Acrobat Pro will automatically try to recognize form fields based on the content in your PDF. You might notice some fields are already highlighted, indicating that Acrobat has picked them up correctly. However, you may need to fine-tune and customize these fields, adding new ones if necessary. It's important to take time to customize your form fields. You can do this by clicking on any field where an array of options will appear to modify the field's size, position, and type. Whether it's a text box, checkbox, or drop-down menu, ensure each field fits well in the layout for intuitive usage. Once your fields are in place, you can set specific properties for each. By right-clicking on a form field and selecting Properties, you can make adjustments like adjusting font styles, setting character limits, or establishing form logic with calculated fields. Finally, after all your hard work, it's time to test your fillable PDF form. Save the document and then open it in a PDF reader to ensure every field is functioning as intended. Value every detail, check for any errors or misalignments, and when satisfied, your fillable PDF is ready to use and share. Let's summarize. Prepare your Excel, convert it to PDF, use Acrobat for field preparation and customization, and then save and test your form. You've now transformed a simple spreadsheet into a dynamic, editable PDF form, ready for any user.